In CATIA Modeling Application 2026x Refresh1, we continue to add features that support SysML v2 related scenarios. In this release, the CATIA DataHub plugin supports dependency relationships between requirement model elements. Once the user is authenticated with the selected data source and initiates the copy data operation, the dependency relationship becomes available in the DataHub mapping interface. After the data mapping is confirmed, requirement model elements and their corresponding dependency relationships are created in the SysML v2 model. Creation of dependency relationships is supported by the IBM Doors Next Generation, JAMA Connect, and TRM connectors.